Look at these waves. Okay, LJ. Look at these curls. Okay, look at that parting space. Check. Y'all know I'm a little bit extra and I always like to do my baby hairs just in case. Just in case the wind is blowing or something. You know, my business isn't out there. You keep rolling your boat. You and I just spending my most. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Have Big Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this pretty little thing on my head. This is another new one from the Outre collection. I'm wearing it in the style Kitana and the color number 2. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
Tell me why you gotta be like that. Gotta be like that, yeah. Ring around the rosy is the game you play. Sing around the lonely in the same old way. Thought I found my only, it's a shame to say. Got around a phony and got burned by flame. Turning in circles is hurtful and I been there before, but I got off the right. I'll swallow blood for I swallow my pride. Follow my gut for I follow my mind. All of the fighting, denying and lies. All of the hiding and crying inside. I try but now the tears are all dry. And I'll be alright because I'll take it in stride. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hoping I'm not the only. Ashes, ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Burning my bridges with matches in hand. Learning my stitches are ashes from plans. Scratches from past when I couldn't withstand. Walking on fire and drowning in sand. Down in the sadness I found in the madness. The ground is the flattest when I am alone. Bound to the badness inside of my bones. Sounds of Damascus decide where I roam. Failure is practice, refining my growth. Tailored my axes, adaptive I rose. Back from the ashes and gases and clothes. Black from the lashes of all of the foes. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hoping I'm not the only. Ashes, ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hoping I'm not the only. Ashes, ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Make me or break me, I'm fine either way. Shake me or take me, I'm falling away. Hate me, inflate me, I'll try to convey. Lately my safety has wandered away. Squandered my pay, squandered my way. Often I'm flawed on the greatest of days. Tell me it's a face cause I've been lost inside a maze. Is this the days because...
Okay, you guys, so with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction, your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with this singular parting HD lace. It also comes with baby hairs around the front. It's a little bit pre-plucked, so I'm definitely all here for that. The density on this unit definitely is more on the fuller side for sure. If I had to guess, I want to say it's around 150%. The texture on it is definitely on the softer side. There's like a hint of some silkiness in there. It's not super silky, it's definitely like right in the middle and it's really soft, so I definitely like that a lot. The cap size on this one definitely is feeling small and medium head friendly, but I do think if you do have a larger size head, this one could be a little bit of a stretch for you. I am wearing this one without a wig grip band and it's fitting my head very snug. If you can see, it does come all the way down to the sides, which is wonderful. So I did just go cut some little sideburns in that bad boy to take advantage of that lace that goes from ear to ear, like yes. This unit is also high heat friendly, up to 400 degrees, and I definitely did take advantage of that because it was looking a little bit humpy. So I just went in and added some heat to the top to get it to just sort of lay down a little bit more. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this unit's looking like all around. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, I don't really think I have any cons. My one con probably would be just the fact that, like I said, it was a little bit humpy, but it's nothing that can't be tamed with heat. So I mean, I feel like my con for this unit isn't necessarily even a big con. In my pros for it are, I like the wave pattern. Like, look at that. That pattern's really nice. I like the density. The texture is nice. I like the fact that the lace does go ear to ear, so you can take advantage like I did and do some little sideburns to make it look a little bit more natural if that's what you're going for. Also, the fact that you don't even need to use these baby hairs if you wanted to. Let me just show you right quick. You could just let the hair fall naturally and just cover those up, which is still a cute look, but y'all know I'm a little bit extra and I always like to do my baby hairs just in case the wind is blowing or something, you know, my business isn't out there. So that definitely is another plus, especially if you're a person that does not like to do baby hairs. You can just let the hair fall as it may, and then bam, you're good to go. That's another plus, actually, the fact that this one was so easy to just throw on and go. I feel like this is definitely a beginner friendly unit for sure. It's cute, but I feel like I have a good amount of units that I already have this style, that if you don't and you definitely want an affordable easy slay, I definitely would suggest this. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up at any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Tell me why you gotta be like that. Gotta be like that. Ring around the rosy is the game you play.